Who was the best prime minister in our history?
My opinion, no one is a perfect, but I think so Liaquat Ali Khan was the best.
So give the few reasons.
Sir, when Liaquat Ali Khan became the prime minister, the country was in a larger number of the challenges. The country did not have any kind of foreign policy in the properly.
पर तो बड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म आता है कि उनको यूएसएसआर की भी दावत थी, उधर नहीं गए और उधर चले गए.
Basically, country was in the formative phase.
Okay.
It was basically learning phase.
Why construction of motorways but not the dam?
Sir, construction of the dam is basically hampered because of many issues, including the administrative and political issues. Moreover,
There are certain dams which are not political. Talabag is a separate example.
Sir, because of issues and tussle in between the provinces, there are interprovincial disputes as well.
Diyamir Bhasha Dam के अंदर मुझे political differences बताएं.
Administrative issues and interprovincial disputes, like in the case of people of the Sindh are basically concerned that the construction of the dam.
What were the reasons for the failures of Oslo Accords?
Sir, Oslo Accord was signed, but it was not properly implemented. In these cases, the Palestine was divided into the three major categories A, B, and C, and it was said that certain part was given for the Jews and certain part will be given for the Palestine Muslims.
Which prime minister Israeli prime minister was killed after the Oslo Accords? Can you name him?
Briefly introduce yourself for a very short time.
Sure. My name is Zoha Basit, born and raised in Lahore. My father is businessman. As far as my education is concerned, I did my master and MPhil in biochemistry from University of the Punjab, Lahore, and I was gold medalist in both of my degrees. During my academic career, I wrote a number of papers which were published in international research journals. I started my career in 2019 as an assistant from Planning and Development Board, Government of Punjab, Lahore. In 2022, I got allocation in Provincial Management Service and I served as a section officer in Home Department. Later on, I served as the Assistant Commissioner Headquarters in Gujranwala, and nowadays I am serving as Assistant Commissioner Chak Jhumra, Faisalabad. I got married to the military officer and he is serving in the capacity of major.
अच्छा, good. अच्छा, तो आप you are already an officer, so
Yes, sir.
you have got something to fall back upon. It's not a matter of life and death for you.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
है कि नहीं है life
Yes,
and
sir.
death? Yes means कि it is the matter of life and death.
No, sir.
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, तो ये yes आप कह रही हो, तो CSS is another milestone in your life. Inshallah, we hope that you will succeed there, but you are safely covered as far as your job is concerned. Mashallah,
Yes,
you
sir.
are married and your husband is also in job. तो आप इतनी desperate नहीं हो, मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था. You should not be that desperate. But having said that, we will definitely are going to examine you as per the yardstick of the standards which we think should be in the CSS office.
Sure, sir.
चले मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछता हूँ. In your own opinion,
Yes, sir.
who was the best prime minister in our history? आपका अपना ओपिनियन है, इस पर कोई मैं आपको सही या गलत नहीं करार दूंगा. You have got a right to have your opinion about, then we can discuss it further.
Okay,
But
sir.
who was the best prime minister in our history, as per your own understanding?
Sir, in my opinion, no one is a perfect, but I think so Liaquat Ali Khan was the best prime
अच्छा,
minister.
now
in
give the
history.
few reasons for it. कि how do you think, why do you think that he was the best prime minister? I will tend to agree with you. मैं आपसे dispute नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आप उसको justify करें. मैं कहता हूँ for example कि वो नहीं थे. आप उसको justify करें.
Okay. Sir, when Liaquat Ali Khan became the prime minister, the country was in a larger number of the challenges. The country did not have any kind of foreign policy in the properly, and he started the relation with the USA and in Eastern Europe.
So was that a good thing?
No, sir.
उस पर तो
Basically,
बड़ा criticism आता है कि उनको USSR की भी दावत थी, उधर नहीं गए और उधर चले गए. Is it good?
sir, basically, country was in the formative phase.
Okay.
It was basically learning phase. Good and bad things, they are the two sides of the same coin. And secondly, sir, he gave the objective resolution which was preamble of every constitution, and ultimately it was the only document in the history which is still surviving without any kind of such disputes which arose on the any other document, like basic principle committee report was when it was published.
चलो ठीक है,
cited
agreed.
a lot of
आगे,
criticism.
next point.
He put the country on the industrialization.
Was that done in Liaquat Ali Khan's era?
Sir, he took these steps. He started and in this case,
कितना पीरियड था लियाकत अली खान का?
sir, 2 years.
नहीं, दोबारा सोचें. Think again. It was not 2 years. It was well over 4 years. He was assassinated in October of 1951
Yes, sir.
and he started being the Prime Minister in 47. क्योंकि गवर्नर जनरल तो कायद थे ना.
Yes, sir.
Kaid didn't become the Prime Minister for even a single day.
Yes, sir.
So right from the first day, from 14th of August, he was the Prime Minister 4 years and 2 months.
Yes,
So
sir.
पीरियड इतना कम नहीं था इनका. लेकिन आप मुझे ये बताएं कि इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन उनके ज़माने में स्टार्ट हुई थी. पीपल गिव दिस क्रेडिट टू सम अदर पीपल कि PIDC बना था और प्लानिंग कमीशन, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हैपेंड इन mid-50s आफ्टर हिज
So
assassination.
basically, he started industrialization. He introduced the 2 industrial units of the, and then he also took the steps when there was crisis of currency devaluation. He did not put the currency on the
चलें,
devaluation.
you have strongly आपने अपने डिफेंड किया. चलें, my last question about the in this interview. मुझे आप ये बताएं कि there was a very massive event which took place in this city just few kilometers away where you are sitting in 1974, which put Pakistan on the world map, or at least the Islamic world map, in a very significant manner. ये किस चीज़ की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं?
Sir, OIC summit.
बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली. क्या ज़रा इसके सेलिएंट फीचर्स बता दें. हु वर द मेजर रूलर्स ऑफ द मुस्लिम वर्ल्ड हु पार्टिसिपेटेड इन इट? 4-6 नाम बता दो जो बड़े उस वक्त मेन रूलर्स थे या मेन लीडर्स थे.
Sir, Muammar
उम्मा के.
Gaddafi.
ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही है.
Sir, from the Pakistan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto.
वो तो चले होस्ट थे ना, वो तो ही वाज द होस्ट.
Okay.
द फॉरेन पार्टिसिपेंट्स की बात हो रही है.
Sir, from Saudi Arabia, Shah Faisal.
करेक्ट. 2.
And sir, other than I don't know.
एक सबसे कंट्रोवर्शियल था जिसकी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं थी आने की, लेकिन वो भी आए थे. वो कौन थे?
Sir, no
वो
idea.
हमारे पार्ट ही रहे थे पहले. इतनी हिंट्स दे रहा हूँ बेटा आपको.
Sir, Mujibur Rahman.
हाँ, शेख मुजीबुर रहमान, he participated in it. And then there was Yasser Arafat, there was Boumediene, then all of them they participated. Algeria, sir, over to you.
Sadat.
Okay, what is the use of organometallic compounds?
Organometallic
Metallic compounds.
compound. Sir, organometallic compounds are used in the various industries for the formation of the metals, for their purification, and they are also utilized in the weapon industries as well.
बेटा ऑर्गेनोमेटेलिक कंपाउंड्स के ये तो आपने बड़ा डिफरेंट यूज़ बता दिया. एक कॉमन यूज़ भी है. इज देयर एनी यूज़ इन द मेडिसिन्स, फार्मेसी?
Yes, sir. They are used for the treatment of various diseases as well.
Okay. So, can you tell me the name of the Western political thinkers?
Sir, Aristotle, Plato, Machiavelli, Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, Karl Marx, Lenin.
And Muslim political philosophers?
Sir, Al-Razi, Ibn Khaldun, Allama Iqbal, Shah Waliullah,
Yunus
Farabi.
Okay, Farabi. Okay. Have you ever heard of Dr. Ali Shariti?
Dr. Ali?
Shariti?
No, sir.
He was also a Muslim political philosopher from Iran.
Sir, I have not read about him. I will update my knowledge.
Okay, why motorways and not the dams?
Sorry, sir.
Why construction of motorways but not the dams?
Sir, construction of the dam is basically hampered because of many issues, including the administrative and political issues. Moreover,
There are certain dams which are not political. Kalabagh is a separate example, but there are other dams on which we may have political consensus, but we have not focused on them. Why?
Sir, because of issues and tussle in between the provinces, there are interprovincial disputes as well.
Dyaamir Bhasha Dam के अंदर मुझे political differences बताएं क्या
Sir, I am saying that in case of the many dams, there are also administrative issues and interprovincial disputes. Like in the case of people of the Sindh are basically concerned that the construction of the dam will divert the water away from them because the Sindh is low riparian as compared to the Punjab. On the other hand, the Punjab is of the view that the construction of the dams will not have any impact on the Sindh. Punjab is of the view that around annually 10 million acre feet water goes toward the
ठीक
Sindh.
है ठीक Okay. What is the fate of the Indus Water Treaty now?
Sir, Indus Water Treaty is suspended by India, but if we see the international law, then it cannot be suspended. As the article of the Vienna Conventions lay down the principles according to which a treaty can be suspended.
Okay, how can India start this flow of water?
Sir, sorry? How?
India water flow को कैसे stop करेगा if at all you make a decision
Okay.
कि हमने पाकिस्तान में पानी बंद कर देना है? So what would be the option available to India?
Okay. Sir, at this time, India does not have enough storage capacity as well. If the India want to store the if the India stops totally the water from the Pakistan, then it needs to construct at least 22 Barkha size dam, and Barkha dam has the capacity of 6 million acre feet. If India stops water at this time, then the entire area of the Jammu Kashmir will be 17 feet underwater. On the
अच्छा,
other
ये
hand,
source of Indus किधर है?
sir, in Tibet, China.
तिब्बत चाइना. Okay. उसके बाद what was the reason that even in the wake of the Wavell Plan, Gandhi started Quit India movement in 1945?
Sir, because the Wavell plan laid down the principle of the short-term plan, long-term plan, and ultimately it can lead to the formation of the Pakistan. On the other hand, the Gandhi want that whole India should remain undivided, and it should be solely given toward the Congress without any kind of without any kind of agreement. And there should not be such kind of the principle that in these provinces the Muslim will get in the majority, and he also wanted to abrogate principle of elections with the with the representative principle. So basically he want to lay down such kind of the condition in which the Hindus will be dominated forever.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Zoha, can you tell me what is wet bulb temperature?
Sorry, sir?
Wet bulb temperature?
Wet bulb temperature? No, sir.
Okay, where is Mount Everest located?
So Mount Everest is located in Hindu Kush.
Which country?
Yeah, sorry, Nepal.
Only Nepal?
Sir, I will look into this.
Okay. So there is a phrase, Zoha, we often hear in Pakistan, बड़े जो कहते हैं ठीक कहते हैं. How do you critically evaluate that? Do you agree with that?
Sir, I will partially agree to it.
And why won't you?
The conditions and circumstances, they keep on evolving and keep on changing. The conditions which were present at the past times, they are not present now. Even if we see in any kind of, if we see it with any lens, like political, economical, social, digital conditions, which were present and which were existing at that time, they were not present, and the conditions basically play critical role in making your decision and orientation toward the life. Nowadays the world is quite digital and world is quite moving at a quite fast pace, and the decisions are taken in the taken in keeping in consideration with circumstances. So if elders say something, they basically have the lot of experience of their lives. They see in their context, so partially their decisions are always right, but ultimately their conditions and circumstances, they keep on evolving.
If their decisions are always right, then तो बात ठीक हो गई, बड़े जो कहते हैं ठीक कहते हैं. But you first disagree with the.
Sir, I said I partially agree.
Do you think, Zoha, there is a lack of critical thinking in Pakistani society, and how does our family system, our societal system support that?
Sir, yes, there is lack of political thinking because we are basically, if we see our society with respect to the political thinking, it's basically hurt.
I had asked about critical thinking.
Yes, sir, it's with respect to the critical thinking, the mentality is fixed kind of. We are, if we see, the people are not ready to change their mindset. The people have this patriotism, the people have affiliation with some political parties, and they are ready to defend them at any cost.
Okay. What were the reasons for the failures of Oslo Accords, Zoha?
Sir, Oslo Accord was signed, but it was not properly implemented. In these cases, the Palestine was divided into the three major categories A, B and C, and it was said that certain part was given toward the Jews and certain part will be given toward the Palestine Muslims. But ultimately, there was no implementation. Furthermore, there was no strict demarcation of the boundaries. There was no kind of the international laws present that there will be protection of the sovereignty of the state, and Israel will not be allowed to jeopardize or to influence the Muslims which are living in the West Bank or the Jordan. So ultimately they just want to enhance their influence in all of the Palestinian region and want to displace the Muslims from the region.
Which Israeli Prime Minister was killed after the Oslo Accords? Can you name him?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you Zoha.
थैंक यू जी, यू डिड वेल, आपने माशाल्लाह अच्छा किया है।
बिल्कुल।
थोड़ा सा मेरा अगर मैं बिल्कुल आपको हाइपर क्रिटिकल होकर एग्जामिन करूँ आपके
Yes, sir,
इंटरव्यू को,
please.
तो थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग विंडेड हो,
थोड़ा
थोड़ा सा
सा
लॉन्ग विंडेड हो, मतलब योर आंसर्स आर क्वाइट लॉन्ग।
हाँ,
थोड़ा सा बॉडी लैंग्वेज देख लिया करो पैनलिस्ट की, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा इफ़ यू कैन, वो कहते हैं ना, ब्रेविटी इज द सोल ऑफ द विट,
Sure, sir.
और सो मेनी थिंग्स विच यू हैव सेड यू कुड हैव सेड इन लेसर टाइम ना,
ठीक
तो उसको बस दैट इज द ओनली,
हाँ, बिल्कुल
वो
ठीक
मैंने आपको क्या है हाइपर क्रिटिकल होकर कर रहा हूँ मैं।
Yes, sir.
यू एक्चुअली डोंट डिजर्व दिस क्रिटिसिज्म, बट जस्ट टू फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट, और आपको उधर हो सकता है कि इतने पेशेंट पैनलिस्ट नहीं बैठे हों जितने हम हैं,
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि वो उन पर प्रेशर बड़ा होता है, वो बैक टू बैक
I-
इंटरव्यू चल रहे होते हैं, तो एफपीएससी का अपना एक मूड होता है ना।
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर आंसरिंग अ क्वेश्चन इन 1 minute और 50 seconds विच यू वर टेकिंग एट एन एवरेज, उसको 40 सेकंड्स पर कर दो, उसको
Sure, sure.
35, पहले उसके ब्रीफ बता दो, फिर देखो कि इंटरेस्ट अगर पैनलिस्ट का है कह देंगे कि यहाँ, तो दैट इज गुड।
Sure.
अदरवाइज यू आर ऑलमोस्ट good in every respect. You have got beautiful communication skills, you have got good personality, you have got good conduct, good demeanor, good presence. बाकी अल्लाह आपकी मदद करेगा।